Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 47 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is a travel item, and I'm going to use this car, a piece of furniture, I've got this chair, something written or drawn with your non-dominant hand. I'll do that later. Mushrooms, I've got these washi mushrooms, something that smells, and I'm going to use this Christmas tree because the pine smells good. And bonus is a star, and I'm going to use some more of these little sequin stars that I've been using in different projects. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2022 CWP47 to see what everyone else has made. This year is closing out and it's hard to believe. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, here it is. I've got my travel item. This is Santa's car, and Rudolph's trying to figure out why he's been replaced by a vehicle. I've got my piece of furniture. I got this chair. Something written or drawn with my non-dominant hand, and I've got this little cedar holly looking stuff here at the corners. I hope you can see it. I don't know if it'll show up well on the camera, but I will be sure and film it at the end so that you can see, and I'll take pictures. I've got mushrooms, something that smells. I've got my tree, and the bonus is a star, and I've got stars all over. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Be sure and check out hashtag 2022 CWP47, and be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. So until next time, bye y'all.